So you need to tweak your travel plans with Air Canada. Let's get your flight date changed without the headache. First things first, head over to the Air Canada website, look for the My Bookings or Manage My Bookings section. This is your central hub for making any adjustments to your reservation. You'll need your booking reference, that's the 6-character code Air Canada sent you, and your last name to access your flight details. Once you've entered these, click to proceed. Now you'll see your current flight information. There should be a clear option to change flight or modify booking. Click on that. This will take you to a calendar where you can select your new desired travel date. Just tap on the date you want to fly. Air Canada will then show you available flights for your chosen date. You'll see any potential fare differences. This means the new flight might cost more or less than your original ticket. Confirm your new selection. Before you finalize, carefully review the summary. It will clearly outline the original flight details, your new flight details, any change fees, and the final price. Make sure everything looks correct. If there's a fare difference or a change fee, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information to cover the adjustment. Complete the payment process. And that's it. You'll receive a confirmation with your updated flight details. If you're struggling to find the change flight option online or prefer to speak with someone, you can always contact Air Canada customer service directly. They'll be happy to assist you with your date change. Remember, change fees and fare differences can vary depending on your ticket type and the timing of your change, so it's always best to check the specific terms for your booking.